For an organization like us, it is a vital moment, and this visit of His Holiness Pope Francis is a very strong affirmation of what we have been able to do together as the World Council of Churches, but also together with the Roman Catholic Church, but also to affirm that we are going to walk and pray and work together also in the future.
And the Holy Father is very grateful for the invitation to come here to Geneva and to Bossey and to celebrate together. As he had said in his homily this morning, for he is very important that we walk together. We are on the way. And this way has a clear direction. This is unity. But the unity is not a goal in itself, but we must refine unity for have a better common witness in the world today, the witness of the gospel in the different challenges that we have in the world today, the protection of creation, migrants, refugees, justice and peace. And we have just long time, a long collaboration between the Catholic Church and the WCC.
I think everybody understands that a child needs to be together with their parents. Don't have to read documents to understand that. And I think our churches in the United States, together with the wide public opinion, has had a strong reaction to this policy. We know that whatever you do to a child will affect the person their whole life, for good or for bad. So there is no way to see this as a way of or implementing justice. Justice must also be particularly for those who need it the most, who are most vulnerable. The World Council of Churches for almost 40 years have worked to bring people from North and South Korea together, from our church partners on both sides. We have had meetings in many countries. We also had them here in Bossey. And I visited Pyongyang and Seoul in May together with an ecumenical delegation. We were invited to Pyongyang as the first international delegation after the summit between the two heads of South and North Korea. And they also give a lot of weight to this expression of fellowship, that people can get together, and also with a strong spiritual dimension to it. And therefore we also invited 4 representatives from North Korea to join us these days, and there are also several representatives from South Korea, and they have been granted the opportunity to greet the Holy Father when he enters the Ecumenical Center this afternoon. I think that's a gesture that will inspire them, and I think both nations, to see that the peace project they have started now has the support of all churches in the world, and that we both work and pray that it may be successful. We try to raise the voice of those who are poor and those who need that the economy is really an economy for all, not only for the few rich in this world.